Is this what you woke up to this morning when you wanted to use ChatGPT for your studies and to cheat on your essays and your assignments? Well, in this video, I'm going to be helping you fix this issue so that you can get back to cheating and fixing all your homework issues. So as you can see, it right here is saying that not available, OpenAI services are not available in your country. Unfortunately, this can happen to some people living in certain countries, but it doesn't happen to most people. However, for the people that it does happen to, I'm here to give you a solution. So as you can see, what you simply want to do is have the, hold on, let me disconnect from this. I was doing the previous video on this. So actually this is what it's all based about. So let me disconnect this. As you can see, I'm using the Opera GX browser at the moment. If you want to know how to download this, be sure to comment down below and I'll be making a video about it. Other than that, we want to open up our Opera GX browser, press on the top right here, where the tab is, and it should bring this up. From there, if we scroll down, you can see VPN. From there, we want to press on Enable in Settings, and it should take a second. There we go. So from here, what you simply want to do is, once it is loaded up, it will show you the VPN settings. What you simply want to do is on Enable VPN, make sure it's turned on. From there, we're going to press on chat. We're going to write ChatGPT. We're going to open up ChatGPT. And once we do, we're simply going to press on a VPN. And your safest bet would be to connect to the USA. As you can see, this is on Asia for now, because I was doing another video. But we have three options here: Europe, Asia, and optimal location. I don't know where USA went. The USA used to be an option. Anyways, just press on Europe then, and you want to press on connect. From there, we're going to press on try ChatGPT, and it should load up for you. Now, at the moment, ChatGPT is down for me. For some reason, it doesn't seem to open up, but it should work completely fine for you. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.